Hi, my name is Luka Mezgec and I'm rider for Team Bike Exchange Jayco. This is my new bike, my new giant Propel Advanced SL Disc, which is aero bike, perfect for sprints. Also has a very aero cockpit. So the saddle is the Fleet SLR, which is very comfortable, but also really good shape for long distance trainings. So I like this part of the bike because you can see it's aero with its integrated seat post, and it's very easy to adjust the saddle height with it. So my drivetrain on this bike is Shimano 12-speed Dura-Ace Di2. Cornering with this bike is amazing. I feel really safe in any conditions on the road. I'm using now 42 tubeless Cadex wheels and I like the sound of them. Sounds fast, huh?